Hello and salam, friends. Good to have you back. Kashmiri wedding, known as Kashir Khandar in local language, is full of fun and emotions, just like any other wedding ceremony. A mix of traditional Indian, Persian, Arab, and Pakistani ceremonies make Kashmiri wedding a mixed experience. The biggest part of the Kashmiri wedding ceremony is the wedding feast, with mystic festives, colorful attires, folk songs, and wazwan. Here I am going to narrate to you what a Kashmiri wedding is like. Tamul's Hatun. The first function starts with bringing necessary ingredients required for the wedding, and this function is the cleaning of rice, called as Tamul's Hatun in local language, which is usually done by ladies of the wedding house. Pran Rohan Sarun. Kashmiri shallot and garlic cleaning is a separate function in Kashmir. Close relatives and neighbors sit together and clean pran rohan that will be used in cooking wazwan. Ladies sing traditional songs together. Malamers. This starts the wedding celebration. The traditional Masmutsravun is done in the evening. Masmutsravun means letting down bride's hair. The bride's hair is tied into many tiny braids and wrapped each of them with colorful ribbon. Then these women sitting around the bride sing the famous Kashmiri wedding songs and undo these fancy braids one by one, following by combing her hair. Mazrat. The main function begins with Mehndi Raat, that is the evening when the young girls from the groom's house who visit the bride's house apply mehndi on her hands, usually brought along with them as a gift from the groom's family. Then a small amount of mehndi is applied on groom's little finger, and the function takes place respectively in the bride's house as well as in the groom's house. The function usually involves Kashmiri women singing Kashmiri traditional wedding songs known as Wanwun, followed by dinner at both the houses. Kashmiri women sing songs all through the night and usually sleep after the pre dawn prayers in both the houses. Ab Sherun. On the day of Nikah, the bride takes a bath and cleanses herself. After the bath, bride usually wears traditional fairan with tilla work done on it. Tilla work is a type of hand embroidery which is done using silver and gold threads. She then prays 2 rakat of namaz and recites Quran. Nikah Khwani. Then Nikah is performed. Nikah is the official marriage contract in Muslim wedding. The groom and the bride are asked for permission of getting married to each other. Witnesses, both from groom and bride's side, are present at the time of nikah. Once the Kabul hai is heard from both the sides, nikah is complete. Then some Quranic verses are recited by Molvi and he makes dua for the newly wed couple. Nikah Khwani can also be performed just after groom comes with procession to bride's place. Yenivol. The Yenivol is the day when a large number of people, including relatives, friends, neighbors, colleagues, and acquaintances, gather for lunch. All guests are served with mega feast of Wazwan. The bride gets ready and wears her main dress of the wedding, which is mainly lehenga. Then she is brought where all the guests are gathered. She is made to sit on a nicely decorated platform. The groom is given a haircut by the barber, and all Kashmiri women sing folk songs. Then lunch is served to the guests. Maharaj Sal. Same day later, it's a time for Barat, or we can say the time for the bride to leave her family. Groom Along with few relatives and some close neighbors visit the house of the bride. He is made to sit on a silk carpet, receives a royal treatment along with all the Baratis. The menu they are served with has a lot of add-ons other than the regular food items served in Vazwan. After having the dinner, the bride bids goodbye to her family and comes along with the procession of the groom. The bride is made to sit in the tent and is introduced to the relatives and the neighbors who sing traditional songs called Wanwun. Mohartulun. When the bride reaches groom's house, she is welcomed by her mother-in-law who then lifts the veil which is called Mohartulun so that all the guests present there can see the bride. Women in the gathering sing traditional songs. After the Muhartulun ceremony, all the people who have come with the bride to drop her off say goodbye to her and leave for their house. Kahwa Khabar. Brother of the bride comes to meet bride to see how she is doing. He gets sweets and dry fruits and gifts with him. Typically samovar or gold or cash which is given as a gift to the bride. Vatal. The next day is followed by the function which is known as Walima, Vatal in Kashmiri. The neighbors are invited by groom's family and a big feast is organized for them which involves many relatives. All the guests meet the bride who is dressed up and then brought where the guests are seated. Khabri Gatsun. Relatives of the bride goes to her new home either on a single day or all through several days to see how the bride is doing. They give gifts and cash to the couple. Phirsal. Bride's parents invite bride and groom and other relatives to their house for a meal. This function takes place after a few days when the bride has moved to her husband's home. Satimda. This function takes place on the seventh day of the wedding. On this day, groom's family invites bride's family and relatives to their house for dinner. Once the function is over, bride goes to her parents' house for a few days and then comes back to her new house. Phir Khabar. After bride returns to her in-laws, all aunts and cousins visit her to make sure she's doing okay. This is referred as Phir Khabar. This completes all functions of Kashmiri wedding.